All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with Clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to get you set up with the second piece of software that we're currently using to do these review videos for potential clients. And so I'm going to share my screen with you here. This website is called Loom, and this is a very easy software to use, and I will show you how to do it in future videos. But very easy. Just go to loom.com. Let's see here. And you'll see I'm already logged in. So it's not taking me to loom.com. It's taking me to my filmed video. So you can see I've got some videos in here with different trainings. And essentially all this is a software that is just going to record my face and my screen at the same time and allow us to make super fast videos. And then when you're done with that video and you're done filming it, you can just copy the link and you can email it out to whoever it was that you were trying to reach. And the cool thing is these videos will actually show up in the email with a thumbnail. So they can see your face and they can see their website at the same time in that little thumbnail. And that is going to increase your click-through rate and your view rate on these videos so that you're getting, of course, then the highest rate of people booking calls as you can. And so they will actually see this. It's actually a little bigger in the email. You can see the face over here, but they'll see this thumbnail in the email, and that builds a lot of trust because they're going to see, oh, wait a minute, hold on. They're saying my website has a problem, which is what we're going to tell them in the email. But, you know, I don't really believe it. It seems like spam, but look, there's a guy and his face is on my website. So he actually went to my website, and now they're going to be really interested because that's not really something that marketers are going to do. They're not actually going to go to someone's website for real and offer real advice. Of course, we are going to do that, and we're going to give real value. So this is Loom. Go to loom.com, set up your account. And if you're working here with Clickmill and you have assignments and you have projects where you're doing this, then we'll make sure to add you to our Clickmill account. Don't forget to, let us know to do that. If we haven't, usually we have all that dialed in. But if for any reason you haven't gotten your invitation to the Clickmill Loom account, then we will make sure you get that as well. And then as you go through the setup process, and here I believe it's just during the account setup process, it will have you download the Loom Chrome extension, and you're just going to download that now. You do not have to be, so how do we say this? The Loom Chrome extension will open when you're in other areas. What do you want to say? Other websites. So let's just come over to Clickmill, and let's say I wanted to film with Loom. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to click my Chrome extension, and you'll see that I have my Loom filming thing come up here. You can see it's picking up through my microphone and my computer, and it's picking me up here through my webcam. All right. And so I'm ready to film if we decide that that's what I want to do. And then we're going to start reviewing this website, which is Clickmill. So we're not going to do that now, but this is how it works. And this is the goal of setup, is to be able to pop this open when you're on another organization's website. And this is how we're going to create the review so that we can go in there and make sure everything is, what do we say? Go in there and review their website and give them some value. So with that, that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and we'll go ahead and we'll get into the next video. God bless.